Oh God, these ain't good. Hi and welcome back to my channel and the £250 Fiesta project. Last week you would have seen that I actually managed to get it started. This week's goal is simple. Now it's got it started, I have to make sure it's roadworthy and I can actually get it past an MOT. Now it starts, it's good, but next thing on the list, diagnose the brakes, because I don't know if you remember in last video, um, they weren't too great, as you might have seen. If not, here, look, I'll show you a quick clip.
Stop, 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 slow down, slow down, slow down. Yeah, the brakes are bad.
Not good at all. So, I said, first thing, get it started so we can tick that off. That's done. Next is diagnose the brakes and prepare for an MOT. Before we start, I just want to give a quick rundown of the actual cost so far. So, I'm left-handed. So far we spent £250 for the car itself. We spent £45 for the battery, and that is all we have spent so far. So next is diagnose brakes, prepare for an MOT. Before we do anything, I think it's wise to give this car a good wash because it's a bit disgusting. So let's give that a go first, and we'll go from there. So that's the car clean. Obviously, I've not done a perfect job on it. I've just made sure it's, you know, it's all right. And I can actually go around the car now and have a look at things properly. But I think the first thing now, what I need to do is I need to check on these brakes because I'm not actually sure why they're not working. I don't know whether it's just they need bleeding, whether the discs and pads are gone, or whether maybe it's something like what was it said? I think Google said it was like it could be a servo or something like that, brake servo or stuff like that. I'm not too sure. But anyway, the first thing it says is to pump the brake pedal 5 times and hold it there and then start the car. If it stays hard or if it goes completely flat to the floor, then there's a problem. If it goes slightly down a little bit and softens a little bit, it says that means it's okay and there's nothing wrong with it. So give that a go now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, start the car. Okay, so that seems to be working perfectly fine. The brake pedal went down very slightly and it softened a little bit and it's holding pressure. Now, the next thing, well, obviously online it says that means that the brake booster is perfectly fine. So the next thing would be either air in the lines or brake pads and discs. Now I'm sat here holding down the brake pedal, and online it says do that, and if there's any like drop in the brake pedal or anything like that, it means there's air in lines. Well, I sat in now for the last minute holding the brake pedal down, sorry, and it's not actually moved at all. So that means it's got to be the discs and pads, which I was not wanting. Great, let's go check them out, shall we? So just checking the wheels quickly then. So I've raised the car up just so I can have a proper look at it. First thing, let's spin it. And it is dragging, like really badly dragging. Which isn't good. The brakes itself, they're really, really crusty. Like, they're awful. Tires, the tires ain't actually too bad. They look quite new. In terms of the wheels themselves, now I was going to try and get a repair kit for them and see if I can fix them myself. Because there was a comment that was recommending, trying to fix it myself, and I actually agree with that. It's best if I can learn as much as possible. But these, I think, are just too far gone. Let me show you quickly close up. So you can see here, look, they're literally dented, like this actual metal out thing. It's not just a simple surface scratches, they're physical, like dents come out of them. So I think these wheels are just to the point where now it's either leave them as they are or just simply replace them, which I think that's going to be, if I want to make it more personal to myself, I think that's what I'll have to do. a shame really, because they are quite nice, but it's just too far broken. It's not like it's just a simple surface scratch. Okay, so let's have a look at this then. So I'm gonna first have a look at the engine oil itself, see how much oil it has. Okay, check the engine oil. Right, engine oil is low, which is great. So that needs topping up. Coolant levels low. That's fantastic. Power steering. Okay, that's fine. Brake fluid. Okay, so this thing needs oil and coolant. That's everything for today. We have pretty much diagnosed the brakes. They are awful. Thankfully, it's not like the brake booster. I think I said it was. Google kind of pointed me in the right direction, so I think that the brake booster is fine. But as you see, I'll show you pictures now of actually what the brakes were like. So I don't think I could probably show you. So here's what they are actually like. As you can see from them pictures, they're quite bad. The discs have like kind of lips on them, and the pads are really low. And obviously, when you're spinning the wheel, it actually like sounds like it's dragging. So that's not good. I don't think I have to do that. The MOT is actually due in 3 weeks, so I have to try and get some parts ordered now and see if they come in time. So yeah, that's the plan. So back to the whiteboard again. So diagnose brakes, done that today. Next is prepare for the MOT. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video where I actually prepare this for the MOT. I'm just going to top up the fluids for now. I'm not going to do a full service yet. I'm just going to literally top up the oil, top up the coolant, leave it as it is, and then when it comes back, that's when I'm going to actually give it a full service and go over all the parts. But I'm just going to get it literally ready past the MOT, and past the MOT it needs brakes, and I think it needs new window wipers, which I didn't record. I forgot again. But yeah, that'll be it for today. Thanks as always for joining. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.
Life's too short, let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it.